Hey everybody, welcome to Mark's Favorite Tools on Tuesday. This particular week I'm doing a class on veneering. And though I have a lot of tools I want to share with you, I wanted to share one very specific tool that I use doing veneer work, and that's this. This is a little veneer slicer that's made by a company called Omia, U-L-M-I-A. Omia is also the people who make the workbench that I'm working at. This particular tool has a knife that comes down on one side that can just help me slit veneer if I need to just make straight cuts. But that's not necessarily what I like the most about it. On the other side of the tool, it has knives. And those knives can be put together as close as you want to within a 1/16 of an inch or as far apart as a 1/2 of an inch. And by having those two knives in place up against a straight edge and a piece of wood, I could come back through and I could cut perfect strips all day long, exactly a certain width that I want to make them. So it's just a fast, quick way to be able to cut strips for border work or for any type of inlay work or parquetry work. I've never found anything that could do it that accurately or that fast. It's a great tool. Hey, you can always check out more. Every week I'm going to share something with you that's a different type of tool that I absolutely love. Not expensive tools that can help you find your way into woodworking, to do things that look really hard but are much easier. We would love to have you here to check out some of the variety of all the things that we do and take in the fun that we have here. I'll see you this summer.